Let's look at how to change your accounting method in QuickBooks Online. First, go to the top right and click on the gear icon. Under the Your Company column, select Account and Settings. From here, open the Advanced tab on the left-hand side. In the Accounting section, you'll see the option for Accounting Method. By default, this may be set to accrual. If your business operates on a cash basis, simply click the drop-down and switch it from accrual to cash. If you need to go back to accrual, you can switch it the same way. After making your selection, click Save and then Done to finalize the change. Remember, the method you choose should match your business structure and IRS filing requirements. So if you're unsure which one is right for you, check with your CPA. And that's it. You now know how to switch your accounting method in QuickBooks Online. For expert QuickBooks Online bookkeeping and accounting guidance, visit www.ntbcpa.us. We're based right here in Houston, Texas.